Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking basics. Confirm your browser is updated and you're signed into Google. Once done, open Google. And click the settings or your account icon to access search settings. You can remove Doodles via Google settings or use a lightweight extension. Choose now. Make sure to note whether you want removal only on this device or across devices tied to your account, because that choice changes the next steps. Now proceed to the method you selected. You'll now execute the chosen removal. If using search settings, locate any Doodle or interactive content option and switch it off. Save changes. If using an extension, install it, create a rule to block the Doodle element or inject CSS like display, none for the Doodle container, then refresh. For advanced users, edit hosts or run a small user script to redirect Doodle asset URLs to 0. 0. 0. 0. This prevents loading. Make sure to test in a private window to verify. Finish by verifying removal. Refresh the page and clear cache, then check Google. In incognito or a different browser to confirm. If the Doodle persists, disable other extensions. One may override your rule, then re-enable them one at a time to identify conflicts. If that fails, undo your host or script changes and reset Google search settings, then reapply the safest method. Troubleshooting tip. If a change breaks other content, revert it immediately and try the extension CSS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.